Hobbii Stellar is an interchangeable circular needle set for people who want superior quality, lightness, and a newfound love of knitting. The set does not just include the most commonly used size, but also a couple of extra sizes. With Stellar, you get interchangeable circular needles ranging from 3.5mm all the way up to 12mm. That's a US size 4 to US size 17. And the size names are laser printed on the needles to keep them from rubbing off with wear. The needles are made of lightweight aluminum, making them strong, smooth, and light. The intense sapphire blue color enhances the beautiful metallic look of the needles, and the smooth surface makes the stitches slide easy over the needles regardless of the yarn type. The needles are pleasant to the touch and to sit comfortably in your hands. The tips are perfectly tapered, ideal for all types of yarns, and have a silver transition to the back swivel cables. Stellar contains sturdy cables with flexible joints, allowing them for a 360 rotation between needle and cable. The rotatable joints will not twist. This trait has been groundbreaking to many knitters who are now experiencing a much more comfortable knitting process. The cables are memory-free, will not swap, and made out of stainless steel coated with black nylon. All of these lovely items come in a beautifully designed blue case. All the cables and smart parts are kept in a separate little accessory pouch. You also get a cute matching canvas bag to use as you please.